I'm Paul Lafrance, and welcome to my backyard oasis. When I'm not designing and building people's backyards, I'm here on Georgian Bay at my cottage, grilling for my 5 girls. And today, I am full-scale stoked because I'm about to try out the new Plancha ENO. It's sleek, it's hot off the fire, and it's the Lamborghini of griddles. My girls and I are plant-based, and with Plancha ENO, I can create food just like Mom used to make. And today, I am making smash burgers, which just sounds awesome on its own. It's something you cannot do on a regular grill. So, I'm gonna be combining impossible meat, pineapple, broccoli, red cabbage, and of course, you know, a little jackfruit, if I can figure out how to get it out of here. Wait, I'll be right back. You don't need therapy. You just need a jackfruit and a reciprocal saw. Right. Little sad, it's fine.